Hi, I'm Rita Wilkins, also known as the Downsizing Designer. So it's Tuesday night, and I always talk about something downsizing, decluttering, or lifestyle design. So the topic tonight is if you're downsizing in your 60s, how to create a home wherever you live. Perhaps you've decided to downsize, maybe you've already moved to a new home, to a new area, or even, to a whole new town. So at first, you might have been, very excited about that move, that opportunity to start over in your 60s, experience a whole new lifestyle. You had outgrown that other house that you lived in for many years and maybe raised your children in. But now that you've moved, the right thing. So you don't feel at home in your own home, and it doesn't feel like you. And you don't even feel like you belong there. So I don't know if this has happened to you, but as a designer for almost 40 years, I frequently help people arrange their home and design their home such that they feel at home in their home. But frankly, it's not just about design. It's not just about decorating. It's a feel that you can create. So if this sounds like you and you don't feel like you're at home in your own home, if you've moved or even in the existing home, you're not alone. Any change is difficult, and transitioning and adjusting to new surroundings, especially if you've been in one house for many, many years. So give yourself some time and don't be so hard on yourself, and try these simple steps. They will help you create. So the first step is to define what home means to you. So make a list of everything that makes you feel at home. So maybe it would be safe, secure, it's your comfort zone. Maybe it would feel inviting, welcoming, warm, and cozy. Another one would be that it's organized, it's peaceful, it's calm, and it's relaxed. And bottom line is it makes you smile and it makes you happy. So in other words, it's really who you are, and that's what a home is. It reflects everything about you. The second step would be to ask yourself, why you right now? So make a list, and it might be things like you miss the old familiar friends and faces, the old neighborhood and the old neighbors, even the restaurants or the stores or your hair salon. It might also feel cluttered and disorganized. So if you've moved, it's pretty natural that you'll still have some boxes, that that overwhelming feeling that you don't know where to find anything. So if it doesn't feel cozy and warm and inviting, you also might not. So then no memories are made here yet. So it's a brand new situation for you, a new home, memories, and you're attached to that old house. It reminds you of your past, some happy and sad moments. And the third step is, what would make you feel more like home? If you're first moving, it would certainly be to get out and meet your neighbors, make new friends, invite them into your home, and something very casual, but bottom line is you're being proactive. Get to know the locals, the local restaurants, all the different things that you were used to before. Get to know those. Get organized and unpack those boxes as soon as you can, and surround yourself with things that you love, those family photos, the books, any of those memories and things like that that make you happy. So then the next step is to personalize your home, to fill up all the senses. So the sight, so display the happy memories, those photos, the books and so forth, sounds, music. The minute I walk in my house, I have music going because it just makes me happy. The smells, the candles, the soaps, and touch. So those cozy throws or the pillows or robes, whatever it is, it's going to give you that cozy feel. So remember that home is not a place. It's a feeling that you create. And as you go through those lists, you're going to realize, okay, it's not the space. So whether large or small, any house can become your home. So in my lifetime, I've moved. I'm actually getting ready to move again, downsize again. More on that later. But as a child, my dad was in the Air Force, and so we moved multiple times. I went to 9 different schools. So wherever we went, though, our mom made each house a home, even if it was just for a year or two. She had that major influence on me because of her spirit of excitement and adventure each time we moved, even if it was for a year or so. So these are a couple of the tricks that you can use too. And rather than making it a chore and making it hard, I know my mom, I'm sure it wasn't always easy, as she will always have old friends and will always make new ones, even though I was crying because I was losing my best friend. And I realized that home is a feeling that you can create. So stop longing for your old home, stop searching, grow where you're planted, and make your new home your home. Make new memories that will last a lifetime. I hope this helps, and I look forward to talking to you again next week. Remember, you can go to .com with ideas for what you want me to talk about each week, and I do definitely read all of those, and I appreciate you listening. Have a good week.